Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can hide your Instagram story or share it with specific people. So let's start our video. First, open Instagram application on your device. Once you do so, tap on your story. And here at the top right corner, you will find a setting gear option. You need to tap on it. And here you need to choose story. Here, if you want to hide your story from, all you need to do is to tap here. And then you can select the people. You can search for the people as well. If you find them in the list, all you need to do is to just tap like this and they will be added to the list. When you post a story, they will not be able to see it, and then tap on done. So this was one option that you can hide your story from. Now, if you want to choose your story with specific people, all you need to do is to tap on the close friends. And here you can choose the friends that in the future, when you post any story, it will only be visible to these people, and then tap on done. So now you have selected the people that you want to hide your story from. You have selected the people that you want your story to be shared with, and then just tap on done and tap on done one more time. Now you can select a story and post it on Instagram, so it will be not visible to the people that you put it in the hide list, and it will be visible to the people that you added it on the specific list. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.